Hi, my name is Said Akil Jeffrey, and this is my learning portfolio for TechLauncher management system. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the learning outcomes from this project from week 10, not actually week 11 of one semester to onward, and I'm gonna talk about what we have achieved and the value of work I have undertaken and the team has taken, and what lesson I have learned during this time from week 11 to onward, and also actually how this period of time cause changes the attitude towards the successful completion of this project. So first of all, I'm going to tell that after, as I mentioned before in my previous video, what goes wrong and what happened actually and what we missed. In this video, I'm gonna tell that we have changed a lot in our behaviors, responsibilities, and attitude towards the successful of this project, because we got feedback from our client and he wasn't happy, and that was our mistakes. We did a lot of mistakes during the previous project review. So after that, our team leaders took responsibility of what we have done and what we have to do, and they distribute sort of tasks as well. We had, I think, 3 or 4 meetings in last 2 weeks, team meetings, and we had one meeting with our client as well to get the requirements, what he is expecting actually by the end of this project. And so according to, first of all, I can talk about myself. What I have done during this time, I resolved a lot of bugs, issues, and lot of things on this project. What wasn't achieved before, I think I spent more than time before what I was spending, and that make huge change in that one, in project progress, because the things what we didn't achieve before, we have achieved now. Like expression of interest, I did work on that. We resolved that one with the help of other team members. There were some sort of small requirements from our client, reset passwords and change password sort of forms and database and all these things. We resolved that one, and the forms sort of management and you can say that contents, how our client wants the contents in the website. We fixed a lot of things from there. We actually work on domain name system for this TechLauncher as well, like with our client. Our team leaders have been communicating with Amazon guys, and they will sort it out, the domain name, specific domain name for this TechLauncher management system. And towards the progress of this project, each of team members has put his effort, and I can see that as a developer that our production is now is increasing. Everybody is showing his responsibility, and I can clearly say that still our one team member is not on the right path. He is still working on his own platform, managing some sort of I don't know, plugins or what, but I really don't know that what on which part he's working and what will be the output of that one which help something in that project. Other than that, we have two team leaders. They have been communicating perfectly now with the client as well, with the team members. We decided 3 meetings during the week time. That includes 1 meeting with the client as well. So we are getting the requirements from very clear requirements from our client. So we will be very clear that what on which tasks we have to work on and what's the actual requirements, what our client is expecting. And according to our project progress, specifically, I want to mention that we have resolved expression of interest sort of forms. We resolved that one. Our client is quite happy. In our previous client meeting, we demonstrate some sort of work what we have done, and our progress is really I can say that we are developing new things, and we are actually we are working towards the goal actually. So other than that, according to our whole team teamwork, our team leader decided some scrum meetings as well, some agile small teams work as well. We have been using Trello for task assignment for each individual of the team member, and we have specific time for that. We are managing time, that so we can understand that how much time we required for the specific task, and how much resources are working on that one, so we can at the end of the day we can calculate that like where we have spent our time and how which part of the project took more time and why. Was it the problem with the development or developer, or was some sort of technical issues, or what is actually happening? So obviously the lesson I got from my previous project review, that was our bad experience, and I was disappointed, but now I am again confident, and I got motivation from my team leaders as well. It made huge changes in my behavior, attitude towards the project, and right now I am working on different tasks, different modules, without asking or without pushing or something from my team leads. I'm taking responsibility of that stuff by myself, because I really want to make this project successful. So as I mentioned that I have been working on different tasks. So yeah, so that's my behavior, and the lesson was obviously what I have learned from my previous experience, that I have to take responsibility, that this is what I have learned. I have to in touch with my client to get the actual requirements. This is what we are doing, and that actually works, and that was our mistake before, because these things keep us on the track, because we have been getting information from our client and we have been working on that specific thing, so obviously we will be on track. And we have some time limits for each task or some production, because we have weekly meeting with our client, and we have to show him something, that this is what we have learned and that this is what we have done. So I think till now this is our fifth week started of this project already has been started, and we had our second project review on week 3. So in 2 weeks of time we have done a lot of things. So as I mentioned, that means our production is increasing, our attitudes are totally changed, our responsibilities, we are taking responsibilities, we are working on our drawbacks, our you can say that our mistakes, what we have done before, we are overcoming that sort of things. And but there is still, according to as a team member, I am thinking that there is still that problem that our one team member is not working actually towards the project. He is working, deploying that project on his own machine on the other platform, and I don't know what he's actually working, and will it will be helpful for this project or not. I don't know. But the good thing about that is, in our coming meeting, my team leads has decided that they will be talking to him as well, and they will raise this point in the whole team, that we have to work on this specific yogurt platform. So we will finish this project before the deadline. And if he needs, the other team member, he needs some sort of help, I will help him as I help him before as well. So, and the team leads also. And today we have our team meeting, not actually a team meeting. Today we have our you can say that workshop sort of thing according to this yogurt platform. I know that it's still late, but maybe it will help the other team members to get into that, what they are missing from this platform, and if they don't know about this platform, because they have not been working in this platform, yogurt platform. So today's workshop is for 2 hours. We will work on that, and our team lead will help these other team members to use teach them that how this yogurt is working and how they can now jump into this and put some real input in our project. So I think this is enough for this video, and hopefully yeah, I will describe more stuff in the coming videos. Thank you for listening. Take care.